Over the bridges. There's not a place then, right?
Mum, you can fit in here.
What's what you doing?
It's a little tree house.
Let's go down this way. Come on, come on. Just saying we haven't got to get anything this week. We got it all.
Okay.
Did you get our stuff this week?
Yeah, I know.
It's just the rivers.
Even animals.
No, something else over there. No, that house.
There's another house. No, let's have a look. Yeah, it's inside.
Yeah.
Daddy, the creature sound.
Sit down.
It's inside.
Come on.
Come Dad, check it out inside. Wow! Dad, go inside.
Come over.
Come on, let's go forward.
Stay down, stay down. There's no bridge there, let's go over the bridge. No bridge there. What's we doing? Hey, there's no bridge.
Yeah.
Come on then, eh?
Where's Dad? Mummy?
There's no bridge there, we're going over the bridge. Come on.
Are we doing that?
Yeah, we're going walking on back. There's another one down here. Watch this way.
Are we doing back to our play park?
No, we're walking back down towards. We're going to the gift shop. Oh,
Look, this is the bonfire area.
oh, another house down there. Should we go back? Alice, this way. Let's go back to this house. Another house here.
Oh,
Another house.
there's a house. Ben!
Ben, there's another house.
Ben! There's another house. I clean.
Don't go for the tunnel.
Why? Why don't I go through the tunnel?
Because Alice, this way.
She's gone through.
Alice, back this way.
Alice!
Ben, you have to go after her. There's no way I'm going for that tunnel, hey?
Oh, squirrel!
Hey. There's no way I'm going for that tunnel. No, there's a tunnel on the bridge. It's gone through the bridge. Yeah, it's gone through it. It's gone through the tunnel. Ben, where is he? Thing is, it's just bridges here. Oh, there's another house there.
Oh, I see.
That's a bridge, hey. Hey, that's a climbing frame.
Let me try this bridge. Let me have a look
Ben,
at this bridge.
Ben. There's a swing of this, let's go through. Oh, it goes through the house.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Ben, this way, meet Alice in the middle. Come on. No, good nuts. No, go this way, Ben.
Alright. Alright, coming.
So down.
Hey there, Alice. Hey there. It's alright. Ben's coming. It's alright, love. We're coming. Ben's coming.
I don't know if I can get through this thing.
Ben's coming.
That's all right. Oh, I'll follow that up. There you go.
Are you really going to get through that?
I don't know. I'll find out. Oh, I don't know if she's going to go this way.
As long as she stays with Ben, she'll be alright.
There's a balance beam in a minute.
And
Where's
the
it?
other one's a rope, so good luck. Oh, Alice.
Hey, mate, it's on the other side of the house. I might have to come back.
Go back.
But, no, Alice, do you want to go this way now?
Yeah.
Well, you're going to have to go across the beam.
Hold on. Walk on the beam, but hold on.
Alright. Beam.
Let Ben go across first.
Hold on. You're a good girl. You can do it. Hold Daddy's hand.
So put one foot in front of the other.
One foot in front of the other. That's it. Good girl.
One foot in front of the other.
This is a rope.
Ben, come grab her.
Right, Ben, I'll hold you from the other side.
Take her across.
Ben, turn round.
Ben, just take her around.
That's it. Good girl. Well done.
But this one's even worse.
Oh, this was even worse.
You can try it.
Yeah. Come on, Ben.
Huh?
Ben, come on, just go.
By the side. Yeah.
This one is funky, you bone.
Ben, hurry up.
Swiper.
There's a rope on the side, Ben.
Oh.
Ben, there's a green rope on the side. You gonna go?